Hello and welcome back, my coder cats and coder kittens, for another week where I, your coder kitty, Becca, am here to talk to you about Linden scripting language. Thank you for understanding the delay over the holidays. It actually has been a bit rough. For those who don't, actually I'm not sure if I mentioned it in the Discord at this point, but for those who follow, my housemate who went into the hospital, she has unfortunately passed, so a whole lot to deal with there. Since I've basically been her caretaker for a number of years, that also jeopardizes income until we can track down her will and a few other things going on. Once I know a few more things for sure, I may be setting up a small GoFundMe or something just to make it through until everything is settled, once I have some idea of how long that's going to take. But that's not what you really come here for. That's just the life stuff that I sometimes share. So this one of our own members in SL, I know her as Camilla, but I believe she went by Spegetti Skateboard in our nice little, in our Discord. Yes, Spegetti Skateboard. This one's for you. The question was, is it possible to have a touch script in a specific object that is linked with another object that only activates when you touch that specific object instead of the other part of the link set? Yes, it absolutely is possible. It's a thing I do semi-regularly. Let me go ahead and show you the basic version of what you're asking and one other little thing you can do with that. I believe I actually covered faces recently, but we're going to go ahead and go over this. The first thing you're going to want to know is what the link number for the part you're dealing with is. An easy way we can find that, we do not need the basic LSL. Here we will use an LSL. Since this is going to deal in numerics, we're going to cast it to a string. Detected link number. And it has to know, of course, which one you're dealing. You want the main one, since you can process multiple simultaneous clicks, but there's very few cases where you're going to have any need to. So you're almost always going to have 0 in that. That's link number 2, link number 1. All right. Now, if we want to only have it respond to one of those, we will say if detected link number 0 equals 1, say and that was a typo there. That is supposed to be a little parentheses, not an asterisk. Else, say put that in there just so it will show that we're interacting with it, that it's not ignoring us. So if the detected link number is 1, because double equal when you're doing a if statement means absolutely is 1. Nope, try again. Or there it is, you got me. And it's easy enough to change that by changing that number we're looking for to 2. Nope, try again. You got me. There you go. That is how you tell it to respond to only a specific link, is you get the link number, and then you create an if statement that runs your code only when it detects that specific link number. Now, previously I was working on changing colors on particular faces. This time we're actually going to detect contact on a specific face. Just because this is a really quick, short, and simple thing, so I figure I can cover both without throwing too much at anybody at one time. Easiest way is to get two faces of a cube by doing that so that I can have both of them facing the camera at the same time. Now, before we did detected link number, this time we're going to, again, cast as a string. Detected touch face. That's face 7, face 6, face 4, face 0, face 2. So each of these different faces has a number. The important ones we need right now are 6 and 7. So, just like the other one, if detected touch face 0 equals 6, that was the second one. Say on channel 0, left side, else if equals 7, say channel 0, right side, else, say, channel 0, wrong side. Right side, okay, I got those backwards, let's fix that. 7, 6. Left side, right side, wrong side, left side. Simple enough. Now, one more thing I'm going to go over before I close out this video is in order to simplify the code, you can do integer face equals detected touch face 0. Now, instead of running that each time, you just have the simpler face. Another thing, this is hard for losing her, and this is hard for trying to hold everything else in my life together. If anybody wants to donate for the immediate future to keep this sim open, that would help a lot. If not, anything would help. If you want to send Linden here, I will let you know when everything is resolved, absolutely. But if I don't wind up with support for that, I will find somewhere to film these videos. I just am not sure how that's going to work out yet, if I am not able to maintain this. So I will keep everybody up to date. Again, you all have been wonderfully supportive. If you all want to assist me with this, that's fine. I know a lot of people on the internet would throw a load of bullshit on a moment like this, so I won't blame anybody for being skeptical. I won't blame anybody for having their own life problems. And I will keep everybody up to date on this, but just at least keep the comments flowing that these videos mean something, because it's something I can hold on to when it feels like everything else is falling apart. So thank you, all of you. Good day, good week, good luck. Happy scripting.